Hey there, welcome to CodeChef. Today, from Python Projects for Beginners, we're going to be discussing the project Guess the Number built using Python. So here are the rules of the game. The system generates a random number between 1 to 100 and the user has to guess it. If the number is in a range of plus or minus 10 of the number guessed by the computer, then the system should output cold. If it's in the 10 plus or minus 10 range of that number generated by the computer, then it should output hot. For example, the number generated by the computer is 5, and since I have given 13 over here, which is in the range of plus or minus 10 of 5, then it outputs hot. Over here I have given as 16, which is not in the range of plus or minus 10 of 5, hence I have given an output of cold, and if the number is guessed, it should come like this. Now for the first subtask of this project, what we have to do is generate a random number. For this, we are going to import the random module from Python, which has the function random r_range, from which we can get a random number from this given range over here. This is the starting value of the range, and this is the ending value of the range. So what we're going to do in this is basically get a random number from this function, pass it on to this function through this variable, and then we're going to just print the variable to show that we can generate a random number using Python. So as we can see, the number is getting generated. If I generate it again, we're going to get a different number.